Oh, my seat post cable's screwed, stretched. Are you going for the skinny rock? Huh? Did you go for skinny rock, Jamie? Cool. Make for good video again. It'll make for good video again. What? You should have done all those opposite lines of me. Yeah. Oh, I totally. Yeah. Go, go, go. Got it, Colin?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I was in the wrong gear.
No problem.
Wrong gear.
I managed to bring the wheel around while I was on the touch pin.
Oh, look at the loam here. Which line did you pick? I'm going to take this one because you went that way. It's really mellow.
I see it. I just took it. That's mellow as hell. I just took it because you didn't take it, so
yeah. Check this out. Oh, there's a line on the left, Jamie. Woo! I never noticed that line on the left.